So this video, I'm gonna kind of go into kind of a theory about an issue that a few people have brought up, and I'm not sure the solution quite yet, but I have a possible thing to try out. So it's for those that are doing the unhinged. I don't think I've seen any problems with the hinged version of the Game Boy Advance SP. So if you're using this, and you have a screen like this that you purchased from us or somewhere else, and it has this metal back, and you've tested it first, of course, make sure the screen is okay. So test it outside without having it connected to anything or inside any shell. So you've tested it, you know the screen's good, it looks okay. The display itself, the colors look good, consistent. And then you go and you put it in, and I'm not sure if this is an older shell. I'm not sure if, yeah, okay, that fits. You put the back on, and then you see some discoloration in some areas. So what I suspect might be going on is that some of these screens are thicker in this dimension. I had a pretty close fit to make these squeeze in there. They barely fit. But if this is too thick, then it could be pressing on the back of this. So I think the easiest thing to try is to remove this shield right here. And it's actually not held on by very much. So actually I just pulled it off with my fingernail. You can see, so there's these those little bumps there. So those little detents are all around the perimeter. And so that's all that's holding it on. So I'd suggest probably just trying to pry it off with your hands. So the white is the screen itself. So don't pry the white part. We're just trying to get that silver shield off of the white part, essentially. This part, there's some electronics or some flex cable stuff in that area, so now I can't get it off. It came off at first, but use a flathead at your own risk. One thing that you can risk if you do this is get it accidentally between the glass and the screen itself, which I'll actually intentionally try to do here to show you what not to do. So don't do that. So see how this white is flexing? So it's pulling away the adhesive from the glass, so the screen itself. So get it on that metal part. Maybe a plastic piece would be better. So you can see there, I just kind of did that. So I mean, if you want to be really careful, put it in there and maybe rotate the screwdriver and hold it with your hand and kind of work your way around, and it'll come off. Again, if you're stronger than I am, you can probably just use your fingernail would be best. So that's what it looks like with it off. So you can kind of see on the top, there's really less to damage on that side. Same with that side. This side, you just got to be careful of this here. On this side, that's what that looks like. So that's what's inside. So from here, this may actually be too thin once it's in here. So you might have to put some foam. I do have some foam on the website, however, that's specifically designed for different screens. So that may actually put too much force in there. I'm not in the office right now, so I can't try it out, but I want to get this video out. It should be as simple as that. Now you can try it out, right? So go ahead and put your rear panel on, see if that works, and let me know. Let me know if it works. Let me know if it doesn't work. Hopefully that's a easy solution to a few people's problems. Thanks.